Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Lexus ES. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Lexus is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include navigation package, premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.